If you've ever struggled to focus while studying, working, or reading, you've probably searched for music that helps improve concentration. One app that frequently comes up is Brain.fm. It claims to use scientifically designed music to help you focus, relax, meditate, or even fall asleep faster. But does Brain.fm actually work in 2026? In this review, we'll explain what Brain.fm is, how it works, its biggest advantages and disadvantages, and whether it's worth paying for. Let's get started. First, what is Brain.fm? Brain.fm is a subscription-based music app that creates audio specifically designed to influence your brain's attention and relaxation. Unlike regular playlists or background music, Brain.fm says its tracks are generated using neuroscience research to help your brain enter specific mental states more quickly. When you open the app, you simply choose your goal, for example, focus, relax, sleep, meditation, or creative work. You can also customize the session length depending on how long you plan to work or rest. The app then plays specially generated music designed for that activity. One thing many users like is how simple the app is. There aren't hundreds of complicated settings. You simply choose what you're trying to accomplish and press play. The app also offers different music styles, allowing you to find something that fits your personal preferences, while still maintaining its focus-enhancing effects. So, does Brain.fm actually work? The answer depends on the person. Many users report that the music helps them stay focused for longer periods, especially while studying, writing, programming, or performing repetitive work. Others find it useful for blocking distractions without listening to songs that contain lyrics. For sleep, many users also say the relaxing sessions help them unwind before bed. However, Brain.fm isn't magic. It won't suddenly make you productive if you're constantly distracted or not motivated to work. Think of it as a productivity tool that creates a better environment for concentration rather than something that forces your brain to focus. Now let's talk about the downsides. The biggest disadvantage is that Brain.fm requires a paid subscription after the free trial. If you're looking for completely free background music, you'll find plenty of alternatives on YouTube, Spotify, or other streaming services. Another limitation is that not everyone notices a dramatic difference. Some people love it almost immediately, while others feel the experience is similar to listening to instrumental music. Whether it works often depends on your personal preferences and how sensitive you are to background audio while working. So, what's the final verdict? Is Brain.fm worth it in 2026? If you regularly study, work from home, write, program, or need help staying focused for long periods, Brain.fm is definitely worth trying, especially during the free trial. Its clean interface, science-based approach, and purpose-built audio make it different from a typical music streaming service. However, if you're simply looking for free background music, you may find that traditional playlists are enough for your needs. Brain.fm won't replace good productivity habits, but it can become a useful tool that helps reduce distractions and improve your workflow. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments whether you've tried Brain.fm and if it improved your focus.